Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this is a pretty cool unit. I unfortunately don't have the information on what vehicle it came out of. The customer says it's a truck, and a really interesting radio is the radio actually hangs down from the roof or ceiling or something like that. This goes up in the ceiling. This is actually the antenna wire that feeds down and connects to the antenna jack. So I have it set to AM at the moment. This has been converted to FM, and all it has is a tiny internal speaker. It's really not much bigger than a transistor radio speaker, so you're not going to get a whole lot of sound quality out of this. It's got kind of a tinny sound, but the person who did the last conversion on this did install a tone control on back to kind of tame down some of that shrill treble, so you can adjust that tone control however you like. So let's go ahead and turn it on, and again, you're not going to hear all you're going to hear is what's coming through my headset microphone. So let's go ahead.
What's going on in the world? I really honestly believe we can change.
Okay, there's our AM session. So we're going to go to FM.
I know. And when you see what's going on.
And the way we do that is we turn it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Now we're on FM.
Into the ride of your choice.
So we'll just run down the dial, make sure we pick up some FM stations here.
Schwartz is joined by Karen Marie Marmer. This is the concerto.
Expanding cold storage facilities.
Las cosas, pero hay lugares donde no.
Understands the way of it, and he alone knows.
Confidence on the job. He's more.
Stop! It's the motherfucker breathing!
Staying in love with you is my.
Well, he would.
Your closet will scream, so you.
After a brief phone call, they agreed to.
Okay, and that's it. Okay, so as you can see, got quite a few FM stations coming in there, and so she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to I guess do the paperwork on it and package it up. So we'll just call it that. Needless to say, there's only a single internal speaker, so there's no testing of balance and fader controls and stuff like that. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I could do to an old AM car radio. We can also add FM, Bluetooth, USB reader, HD radio, other kinds of stuff. Just depends on how much you want to spend and how fancy you want your radio to be after conversion. So thank you, Matt, for your business from Scappoose, Oregon. And thank you guys for watching. Listening. My website and phone number are in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions. You're welcome to call me after you've been to my website. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.